Hello lovelies, thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to show you how I made this base cream. Okay, in case you don't know what base cream is basically an unscented base ingredient. Yeah, it's basically an unscented base ingredient. You can choose to use it on its own, or you can add some active ingredients to it depending on what you are using it for. Okay, so today I'm going to take you through the process how I made this base cream. So keep watching and go nowhere. First of all, I'm going to sanitize my working space and my equipment. Okay, guys, this step is very important. Okay, I'll clean up everywhere and the equipment that I'll be using. Please don't skip this step. Okay, it's very important when you are making any skincare formulation. Okay, so now I'm done with that. I'm going to introduce my ingredients to you guys. Okay, these are my ingredients. Okay, I will show you the rest as we move on. So over here I have my phase A, which is the oil phase, that's the butters and the emulsifying wax. Okay, and this is the liquid phase, that's the phase B. Okay, so I'm going to measure out all this. I have my recipe book here with me. I'm going to measure out all the, I'll leave the ingredients on the screen and the measurement I'm using. I'll leave everything on the screen for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to measure out my ingredients off camera, not to make this video too long. Okay, so let me do that and come back to you guys. So guys, I'm done measuring out my ingredients as you can see them here. So let me show you as I add them together. Okay, in here I'm going to add my oil phase. Okay, my phase A, that's my oil phase. I'm done using this scale. I'm going to put this aside. I used it to measure this. Okay, so for my oil phase I have cocoa butter here. Okay, this is my cocoa butter. Okay, already measured. I'll put everything on the screen, the measurements. Okay, here is it, cocoa butter. My e-wax, here is my e-wax. Okay, measured out. Okay, I take them aside as I show you. Then the next, as I said earlier, I have my recipe book here. Okay, I have it in percentage and in grams. So the next one is my the cetyl alcohol. Cetyl alcohol, here is it. Okay, so I've already measured out the gram. Then the next one is citric acid. I have citric acid here. Okay, and the next ingredient is my mango butter. Okay, I have mango butter. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. Okay, I'm not using shea butter today. You can make use of shea butter if you have it. I'm using mango butter and what's the name, and cocoa butter. Yeah, okay, so scoop out my mango butter and add it to the rest of the ingredients. Okay. And here goes the grapeseed oil. As I said, make use of any type of oil you want. You can use olive oil, you can use coconut oil. You can see I did not make use of coconut oil today, so I can replace it anytime, you understand. Next time I can choose to use coconut oil, almond oil. They are all good for the skin. So here is the grapeseed oil. So now the phase A is complete here. I have the phase A, which is the oil phase in here. So I'm going to put this aside and show you the second step. I'm going to add in my phase B here. That's the water phase. Yeah, for my water phase, I used these 3 ingredients. I use distilled water. Please guys, if you are making any skincare products, make sure you use distilled water. It's very important, not any tap water. Okay, I use distilled water, rose water, and milk. I'm using rice and almond milk. You can use goat milk, any coconut milk. Yeah, and also these are optional. I just add all this to, just add all this for extra nutrients and moisture, you understand. So you can choose to use only distilled water. You are good to go. Okay, you can choose to mix it with rose water, no milk, anyhow you choose to do it. Okay, just make sure your recipe, your percentage is accurate. 100% recipe, that's what we are making. Okay, make sure your total is 100%. That's the most important. So for this recipe, I'm doing 1,000 gram base cream. Yeah, I'm doing 1,000 gram base cream. So for my liquid, I've already measured it out. This is my distilled water. Okay, I'll add it in here. Here I have the rose water. Is the same. Okay, my beaker is small, that's why I divided it into 2 when measuring. Okay, so these 2 are rose water. Okay, add it. Then over here is the milk. I have my rice and almond milk here. Is the same as I did with the rose water. Okay, this cup is too small for 150 gram, that's why I divided it. So I'm going to add the milk in. Okay, so now moving on to the next step. Over here I have my oil phase and water phase. So what I'm going to do next is to double boil the oil phase. Okay, I'm going to melt down this oil phase by using the double boiler method. Please, no direct heat. If you don't know what double boiler method is, it's a process of melting down oil by placing this on another heating water, you understand, not directly on the fire, but rather on a boiling water. Okay, I don't know if I'll show that process. I don't want to make this video too long, but let's just see. Okay, and this water too, I will heat it up in the microwave. Okay, I'll heat it up. So I'm going to melt this down and heat this up and get back to you guys. This is the double boiler method I was talking about. Okay, I place this on a boiling water. Okay, it's not directly on the fire, so I'm going to leave it to completely melt down. So guys, the oil has completely melted down, as you can see. Okay, and here is the heated water phase. So it's very hot right now. I'm going to leave it to cool down to 75 degrees. Yeah, this have to be on 75 degree, and the oil phase too has to be in 75 degree. So this is very hot now. I'm going to wait and I'm going to wait for it to cool down a little bit, okay? Let me check the temperature. Lovelies, kindly give this video a thumbs up and feel free to share it out, okay? And also, if this is your first time, remember to click on the red button down there that says subscribe, okay? It's still reading. Okay, the water phase is 60, is below 75. Yeah, this is okay. So let me check the oil. The water phase is good to go. So now I'm checking the oil. Okay, I think I'm good to go now. The oil. So it's now time to add the two together. So guys, it's time to add phase B into phase A, okay? I'm going to add the water phase into the oil phase. And as I add, I'll stick blend, okay? So watch as I do it. I'll stick blend as I add. Okay. So guys, you see the consistency. It will get thicker as the temperature drops down, okay? So I'm going to whip it for about 3 to 5 minutes, then I'll leave it to rest. Guys, this is what we have here. You can see it will get more thicker as it cools down, okay? So guys, it's time to add my cool down phase, which is the phase C, okay? I have glycerin here, what's the name, sorry, vitamin E oil, glycolic acid, and lactic acid, okay? So I've measured everything out. This is the cool down phase. I've measured everything out. This is it. So I'm going to add it into my mixture, okay? I'll add everything as I've measured it before. You will see the percentage on the screen. Then I'll mix everything together. And also, sorry, remaining my preservative, okay? I'm going to add 1% of my preservative into this. Let me add my preservative, then I'll mix together. Now adding my preservative, okay, 5 grams of this, that's 1%. Then I'm going to go ahead and stick blend everything together. This is the final look of the base cream, okay? You can use this to activate any type of cream of your choice. You can use this to make a lotion, body lotion. You can use it for face cream. You can use it to make a lightening cream, and even treatment cream. Yeah, you can use this to make a acne treatment cream, or even eczema cream. Any cream you want to make, you can use this as your base, okay? So all you have to do is to add the adhesives, okay? Add the active ingredients. You add the active ingredients of a particular cream that you are making and use this as your base, and that's it, okay? And you are good to go. That's it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and God bless you.